Hi,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
My name.
Okay.
I have a question regarding the aptitude test of the pattern. Okay.
Okay.
See, for example, I have given one of the company's interview. Based on our judgment, we are attending all the questions, the logical reasoning and everything, the
Hmm.
biometrics, everything. But
Hmm.
actually, what the score they have been created, they have one particular standards. We are unable to clear that. Once if you clear that test only, then we can go ahead and process for the other test. And I
Okay.
do have a skills of natural of different. I mean, for example, I have into IT field also, into media field also, and also into HR fields, into finance field, different kinds of fields. I was
Okay.
developing my career of 9 years. Based on that, I have given my assessment in the logical reason or whatever the other all
Hmm.
kinds of, but still they don't consider what's the reason for that. I wanted to know. For example, they want like one particular scoring of that because I've done my MBA with HR, HRBP, so many other things, but still they are going
Okay.
as online based surveys. Is this is the right way to judge a person? I wanted to crack those in online tests. That's the reason I'm asking, posting this question.
I think from my side, it will be difficult to answer this question. Like, it's not that if you
Mhm.
score good or if you pass in this kind of aptitude test, you will be good
Mhm.
performer or good employee. That's not correct. And same way, they think
Mhm.
that if someone score good in this kind of test, they will have a good performance in the organization. But regarding this,
Mhm.
I mean, the personality test, I can tell you that whenever you are answering, if you don't know
Mhm.
anything, just don't take any kind of extreme step. Like, there will be always option that will mention the extreme step. So in this kind of situation, it is always obvious that you should take a moderate path. So in that way, it might possible that you will not lose the marks. So you will have a great score.
Okay.
So, and regarding your question, I think it depends on the recruiter also. But if you ask my personal opinion, I
Mhm.
don't think if anyone scores less in any kind of aptitude test, he will not be performing great, because it's mainly depends on the skill set. What kind of experience do you have? So if the person don't have the skill set, or the how the person is doing the job for so much long time. So in my view, it's not correct to do this kind of thing. But always it depends on the recruiter part.
Okay, sir. Because at least during the face-to-face interviews or the direct interviews to
Yes,
the when they
I know that. I know that.
that's a great one which we can answer our questions. But based on the online test and the aptitude test now in the current situation, current market situation, like most of them we are losing our jobs also when we are not getting selected. Like it's become like monotonous and technology is improving so much. Yeah, it's really good one way, but still that they cannot take into consideration. Once everything is done, then you can take into consideration of the online or the aptitude test. This is a concern. Most
Yeah.
of the employees are there, and we are not getting our jobs, and we are losing our jobs also due to AI implementation also. That's
Yes.
what concern is. That's
And
what
I
as a
think
or a
if
HR or something.
if you consider a experienced employee in this aspect, I think they should always take the interview first, because
Okay.
experience matters, and after that your performance in the aptitude test. But
Mhm.
sadly, I think many of the organizations are not doing that. They initially taking the aptitude test, and after that they are taking the interview. So
Yes.
from my perspective, it's not correct.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for the valuable feedback, sir. Going forward, we'll look into that.
Okay.